Okay, so here we have a Hobbs Electric Cafe Kettle. This is a stainless steel kettle, boils water. I've already boiled just a little bit of it, just so we don't have to wait for it. Put a little bit of water in there, and that's where the hot plate is, and kind of the sensor. This is what the bottom itself looks like. Plug that right into the wall. Okay, stainless steel kettle. Let's look at the bottom here. Bottom. That's what it has right there that it connects to give it some power and some juice to heat it up. Now once you got it on there and you have the right amount of water, you just put that in there and you flip this down, and there goes the light right there. So as you can see, I already boiled some water, so we'll let this heat up and mix a little bit of a sound, and this will be done in just a second. And once it is done, it will click and the light will go off, just like that. Okay, and then you've got boiling hot water. So very easy to use, great for just about anything, hot chocolate, making soup, making tea, whatever you need. That's for the Hobbs stainless steel kettle.